Hey folks, so I have already given a brief idea about express.js in my previous videos, but in this video we are going to look at practically in Node.js. So let's start. So what is express.js? So express.js is a Node.js framework and designed to build APIs, web applications, cross-platform mobile apps quickly and make Node.js easy. express.js is time efficient, fast, economical, easy to learn and asynchronous. Also, features of express.js is fast server-side development, routing, middleware, templating, debugging. These all topics we are going to cover in further videos, so don't worry about it. Also, companies that are using express.js is Netflix, IBM, eBay, and Uber. So I have created an empty folder for our express.js demo. Now let's create a file. Let's say my file name is app.js. Let's provide here npm init-by -y just stands for yes for all the initial requirements. And if we create our package.json file, now let's install our express.js. So let's say here npm install express. Copy paste. Press enter.
6 hours later.
So our installation is done. Before going further in this topic, first of all let's look at our HTTP requests. These are the common requests of HTTP: get, add, post, put, and delete. Get is used to retrieve our data. Post is used to send or upload our data. And head is we are going to discuss in further videos. So we are not going to discuss in this video. Put is just used to replace or update our data. Delete is used to delete our data. Now let's copy this code and paste here. This is the demo code. And let's start our node app.js, press enter, and you can see our server is started. Now let's go to our browser, localhost 300, and you can see hello world. You can see hello world. Now let's copy this and let's provide here. Let's say this is about page, say about and about page. So let's copy this endpoint. Let's provide here about, and you can see this is about page. So this is the basic use of express. This app.get, we can use post or put or any HTTP request. Let's delete, but we are not going to discuss in this current video. So we are going to discuss this call request in other videos. So I think that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.